Is AI killing SEO? That's what everyone on the internet seems to be saying right now. People claim tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are going to absolutely annihilate Google, that nobody is going to click on websites anymore, and that SEO is basically finished. But we just ran deep research across 5 different AI models to analyze how local service leads are actually being created. And the data tells a very different story. Because despite all the hype around AI, more than 80% of local service leads are still coming from Google search. So if SEO is dying, someone forgot to tell the data. Now let's be clear about something. AI search is absolutely happening. People are asking questions in tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Perplexity, and Claude, instead of typing those questions directly into Google. And when we analyze research across these models, we found that roughly 7% of search journeys for local service businesses are now starting inside of AI platforms. So yes, AI is becoming a discovery channel, but here's the key point. It's not replacing search. When we looked at the full journey of how local service leads are generated, something very clear appeared. Google is still overwhelmingly dominant. According to the data we compiled, Google Ads accounts for about 43% of first-touch leads and 48% of last-touch conversions. Organic search accounts for about 39% of first touch and 37% of last touch. When you combine these two channels, more than 80% of local service leads are still coming from Google search, not AI, not social media, not directories, Google. So the narrative that SEO is dying just doesn't match what we're seeing in the real world. But here's the part that's most interesting. When someone asked AI questions like, who is the best HVAC company near me? Or which roofing company should I hire in Boston? AI doesn't just invent businesses. It pulls information from across the internet. Things like company websites, Google business profiles, reviews, authority signals, citations. In other words, the exact same signals that strong SEO strategies have been focused on for years. This is where a lot of people are misunderstanding what's happening. AI is not replacing SEO. AI is actually standing on top of the internet that SEO helped build. The companies most likely to appear in AI recommendations usually have strong websites, strong review profiles, optimized Google business listings, consistent citations, helpful content, and strong brand authority. Those are all classic SEO fundamentals. So ironically, the businesses that invested in SEO years ago are now the ones most likely to benefit from the AI revolution. From what we're seeing, AI often plays a role in the research phase of a decision. Someone might ask AI for recommendations. Then they go to Google. They check reviews. They visit a few websites, and eventually they contact a business. So AI may help with shortlisting companies, but Google is still where most of the validation and final decisions happening. So no, SEO is not dying, but it is evolving. And the businesses that will benefit the most from AI search are the ones that already built strong digital foundations, because AI doesn't invent trust, it discovers it. If anything, the rise of AI reinforces something important. The businesses that will win online will still be the ones with the strongest reputation, the strongest authority, and the strongest presence across the internet. And those are the exact same things that great SEO has always been about.